The first step in the process of organizing is answer C. Identification and division of work. For delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility be accompanied with necessary answer B. Authority. Which of the following is a formal organization? Answer D. All of the above. Grouping of activities on the basis of product lines is a part of answer B. Divisional organization. Span of management refers to dash. Answer D. Number of subordinates under a superior. Dash refers to systematic dispersal of authority to the lowest level. Answer C. Decentralization. Which of the following is not a feature of divisional structure? Answer B. It is not suitable for large firms. Decentralization is a result of policy decision made by answer A. Top management. Dash provides the basis of managerial hierarchy. Answer D. Delegation. Dash implies answerability for final outcome. Answer C. Accountability. When operations require high degree of specialization, which type of organization is suitable? Answer B. Functional structure. Which type of structure is costly? Answer D. Both A and B. Decentralization leads to dash autonomy. Answer A. More. This type of organization facilitates expansion and growth. Answer D. Divisional. The framework within which managerial operations are carried out is called answer A. Organization structure. Which of the following is not a feature of divisional structure? Answer B. It is not suitable for large firms. Inflexibility in operation is major limitation or disadvantage of which type of organization structure? Answer C. Functional. Which of the following is not a feature of authority? Answer B. It flows upward from subordinate to superior. Which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? Answer D. Informal structure. Which of the following is not an element of delegation? Answer A. Order.